you bring order. But the bitches I don't get in your hustler love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that.
Arochukwu is located in one of the southeastern states of Nigeria, Abia to be precise. This is my first time visiting and I'm carrying you guys along with me. Hi. God, I'm fine. Jesus. You can say hi. This was a few days to the trip. Amanda wanted to get a particular slippers and we didn't see it. Hi guys, Judy's here. I don't know if you guys can see my face, but I look so sleepy. I just had one of the best sleeps that I have had in a while. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time, hi. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you and thank you again. So, hey guys, I'm on a very quick trip and I'm just going to show you guys some clips, okay? I woke up because I'm getting a book delivered to me today. I was just called that the delivery guy is around my area, so I have to give him directions and do everything. So yeah, what else? I'm sorry I didn't show you guys me coming here, but yeah, let's enjoy this vlog and see what and see where life takes us, right? So I just want to wash my face, but woke up and I couldn't see. Let's go. I'm going to show you guys some interesting people in my life and some that I am just meeting for the first time, okay? Christabel, say hi. Hey, this is Christabel, you guys. Brian, say hi. Hi. You guys, life is so small. So let me just tell you a quick story. Christabel and I grew up playing together, but then she relocated with her family. So we are just seeing each other after, I don't know, yeah, probably. Then Brian, I met Brian through my friend Collins, and then I now saw him on Nnamdi Okonkwo's Snap story. So now you know Nnamdi. Yeah. Life is too small, very tiny. And hey, I was just telling them that I don't know the way I slept. Like I just slept too much. You felt like I'm very.
Your cheeks are still swollen in class.
From the sleep. Good afternoon. I slept too much. Look at my face.
You look fresh now.
I'm looking fresh now, but
I see you.
Akudo. The sweetest Auntie Akudo. Auntie Akudo, you're enjoying? Hey guys, that's sleep.
This is my first meal.
Okay. Sorry, you deserve your enjoyment. Exactly. She has been working, so she deserves her enjoyment. She deserves her enjoyment.
I'm looking for something to use like pepper.
Auntie Akudo, please. I was saying, Auntie Akudo, that I don't understand the kind of sleep I just slept. That sleep was, yeah. I forgot the name of it. Okay, there's this movie, Nowhere. They're showing it now. They are watching it. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. Because I did. I think I seen Nowhere. Leave in the comments below if you have seen Nowhere. Daniela is so cute. I told her, do you want to say hi to my vlog? She was like, yeah. Oh, Daniela, what do you have to say? Hi. Oh God. Can't stop talking about my sleep. You guys see how fine Daniela is. She's so proud.
Still on me.
What do you say?
I said the camera is still on me.
To really understand what people have against Uma and Will. Like, why are they always getting very few votes? Is it that they don't like Uma and Will, or they feel like Will behaves in a sort of shady way sometimes, because sometimes it does as if, sorry if you guys don't know what I'm talking about Love Island season 11, Love Island UK to be specific. I'm just so gutted, guys. I'm not using their terms, but I'm really so gutted. Like, I know he's leaving tonight because I'm watching this episode a day late, but I like, as I'm just watching it, I'm already feeling, why are Oma and Will always on the chopping block? Like, why are they always there, like ready to, you guys should vote for them, let's give them a chance. And I mean, by the way, if you're watching Love Island, I want to know what you guys think, because I'm going bonkers because of that show. Let me just finish, I'll come back. I have a lot of things to say but it's already past now, because I had that to say like 3 episodes back. This is episode 26 and I had a lot to say at episode 24. So anyway, yeah, if you're watching, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know the Love Island girlies or guys. Okay, yeah.
This is Uchenna, tormentor of my life. Do you know what he told me? He told me that I don't look like an Arochukwu girl. Good evening, ma. Making baby's food. There's no problem in the world. Baby, come and say hi. Come and say hi. Come, Kwano. You guys see baby? I can't wait to show you guys her feet. See hi. Good. I can't wait to show you guys her feet. She looks so cute. Wait, let me show you. Looks so good.
I'm looking for my scarf. My scarf.
The right one?
No, it's not white. It's grey.
Guys, that
I can't.
she's so small and cute. Maybe just had pair for the first time, guys. Like these small tiny ones. You guys see Christabel? They see me. Hey, how are you? This on nice YouTube, yeah. Hey, welcome to my channel. See baby channel. Welcome to our channel. Yeah, that's what I teach you how to do. Wait. Like, okay.
Oh, I love it.
Honestly, I just want to thank my mom. I want to thank God actually, because it's only God.
Yeah.
This beauty doesn't come easy.
At all, it doesn't.
So truly, I'm just so grateful to be here. I'm so grateful to just bless you guys. I can't do that. I just know how to vibe.
I'm eating Gary.
Only fine girls is Gary. Only fine girls.
She said it now.
That's why I'm not eating.
Abby? Oha is one of my best social.
Yeah? Can you make it? But you can eat it now. It's
I
okay.
can't, but I've never made it.
Yeah, me, I don't make soups either, but
I'm trying that in the kitchen.
I will for sure. I know with soups, but like, because it's not something I make now. But yeah, you definitely be fed though. What about you? Tell us about your cooking skills.
They know now.
They know.
On my channel, no.
You vlog for them. Okay, good to know, good to know. Okay now. Sorry.
Hi guys. Happy Sunday. Arochukwu is so beautiful, you guys. I can't even lie. Yep. We're going to Owaza. Owaza is too close. There are no villages, there are no trees, but everything here is just chef's kiss. Look at the kind of hefty car Amanda is driving. The girl has become a pro. A small girl of yesterday.
Have you gotten it?
Beauties. He wants to show his face. Don't show your face.
Check it's a full performance. Daddy a doll.
Hey,
Real life Barbie.
hey,
He's testing my patience. Guys, I'm just getting fat here. My weight loss journey has taken a pause. Arochukwu is so cute, by the way. I didn't clean my lens well. Sorry, guys. It is better. Only Amanda is eating bole this night.
come on, sit here.
No, don't worry. Let me stay here.
But is that
What do you say?
It's coming in the blog, yeah?
In the wheel. The wheel. Agenda for today is sightseeing. Collins and Gerald are at the back. Let me try to show you guys. David is in front. Chimeze is behind Collins and Gerald. I don't know if you guys can see. Collins and Gerald at the back. Chimeze is there. David is in front. Yeah. Deep. So everybody here can swim. Can you swim? Can you swim?
You know, if I I went to chess.
Collins, you can you swim?
Swim.
Kakaka. Is at this point.
Oh, can I swim? You can. I can swim. Okay.
Everybody here can swim. Kakaka.
These people think Chinese are famous.
Very rude. Excuse, I beg. You guys, this is the first location on our sightseeing spree. Yeah. Arochukwu is beautiful, guys. I can't even lie. So they're building a club here. This is Ibom Hotel. So the name of this community is Ibom, apparently. So yeah, that's why it's named that. Okay, I'll see you guys. Hi. Where did you go to?
I was gonna take passport.
Okay.
Because I don't even know the name. I know the name. I know the name.
Trapezium. What's it? One
line.
1, 2, 4, 5. Wait, let me try. See how John is circle. This way is so pretty. Good evening. I think we should come and make Indomie. Very fully well, but I don't know how to do bulk Indomie.
You don't know this one, sir. As bad as this one is, sir. This is even my best, but
It's parking. Jidena's auntie is parking, and Jidena is here keeping her company. Then call me Charlie Puppy. Don't be sick. Charlie's on the radio.
but you know the funny thing? This way they talk say you don't feel bad. You know what's in there for you know what's in they know us for business. The last way we did, you know what's in there before. You know what's in there before. You know that. Oh, okay, I see what I see. Wait, give me my way go wrong now. I don't know, not the way how they see. I heard everyone used to stadium. God good.
Let me stay in front of it, eh? let me stay in the middle. I beg. You guys, you know all these African magic movies where they are going down the hill. I feel like that's what is happening right now. Oh, who sent me? Who sent me? This was the slave trade tunnel, Apaz. No wonder there are so many holes and whatnot. Jesus. Arochukwu is known for slavery. Like, they are old people. Can you guys hear the waterfall? I can already hear it. Sorry. Thank you. Yes.
This is what I'm doing. The cameraman never does.
Oh my God, but it's so beautiful.
Damn.
Wow. It's my last bus stop. See how pretty it looks. But I'm not going, Sha. I'm not going. I look so You're making me so jealous. I feel like going, but I'm just too scared. Really. I'm just too scared. But Gerald said I should just go and touch the water.
just do it. Yeah, now you just tell me now. I'm telling you this longer. You want to hold it?
Yeah. My leg is so chim.
You didn't carry it up.
It's not up enough.
Carry it up now. How many big stars did you say at the back outside? You go down. And you know they like this last year.
Oh, you don't hear. So the water comes from there, and then it just flows. Cute. My sister will be livid when she watches this video. Judith, you don't hear. Okay. Say cheese. Say Judith, feel. I didn't hear all of you. Say Judith, feel. Yes.
Before you were born.
Before I was born.
Yes.
Let me see.
Look at it. Way before you were born.
It's called the Century Stone.
Yes.
Does it have anything attached to you, like good luck or anything?
Well, you can get a good aura from Arochukwu.
Ujeda, they see what you have got. God. Oh, nice. Give or take. Yeah. Enjoy.
Yeah, let's go now. But that should be the okay story. Drop your phone and watch it.
Guys, I'm not okay. That walk back up was crazy. Jesus. Oh my God. But it was such a fun experience. But then the walking, that's the issue. Wow. Arochukwu is beautiful. I can't say much, but it's so beautiful. I hope you guys can see it as much as I can. Because everybody can see it. So beautiful. So you guys, Jug's about to teach me how to play. And I don't know how to play.
Not too much force. Tap it back. Don't hit it too hard. It's up like that. Make sure it comes over.
We are back now. I'm so lazy to stand up and go and turn on the light so you guys can see my face properly. Why am I lazy? Why is she lazy? I'll not just come back to the bed. I'll just stay there. I finished the video. Cause please help me on the light. Thank God. Okay. So I didn't clean my lens well. Sorry guys. We're back now from the waterfall. I don't know how I just forgot to vlog. Something was annoying me, so I forgot to vlog on my way back. Somebody was annoying me, rather. A group of people, whatever. That's not the point. The point is that I forgot to vlog. I just had very nice rice and stew. I also didn't video that, and chicken. I don't know why, but I forgot. I'm sorry. Everything that this chef has been making in this house has been busting. Yeah. Wish I could just carry him back to my own house. But no, I can't. Can I? I can't, but the chef. So he'll be cooking for me like this. I can't. Hi. Anyway, yeah, so that's what's up. I was just watching videos and I just have had all updated you guys. So yes. I'll see you guys later.
Family photo.
Such a cutie. I'm talking about me. This is our last night here. Our trip to Arochukwu is coming to an end, and is I don't know how to feel actually. But yeah,
So we're going out now. We're supposed to go into Abacha, but our pass is 9 p.m. Somehow, somebody
to give her now.
Somehow,
Which
somebody.
key is that? Yeah, give her.
Is that Ceci's room key? I bet you should give her. You should give her.
Give her. Or give her.
He should give her. She's in the store. She's in the kitchen.
In the store, in the kitchen.
She's in the kitchen. Just give her.
Okay.
She's in the kitchen. Give her. Oh, check parlor. Big. So yes, guys. Chara keeps saying it's Abacha thing and it's 9 p.m. It's Abacha by 9 p.m. But yeah, Arochukwu is beautiful. Their cultural heritage is so rich and it's fantastic, really. More of this, guys, more of this. And I've not even seen half, apparently. So, Jesus. I've not seen half of it.
I've been having dreams.
I never land, just float.
I've forgotten the weight loss journey to Port Harcourt. We're leaving today and I'm just getting ready. I'll show you guys my full fit. I don't know how I want to pack this hair. Arochukwu has been good and I can't wait to return here whenever that is. Maybe for Amanda's wedding. Very soon is that coloring. Color. Have my bath. Jidena is about to have his. Come back on the floor. That's way embarrassing. Bless you, sugar. Bless you.
You better, you want it. Baby, I'm if I don't need yeah. Oh no. You better, you want it. Baby, I'm if I don't need yeah. Oh no.
Don't do what you're so sorry. I'm a good video to the vlog too. Let's look good in your vlog too.
Okay.
Arochukwu was good.
So good.
Good food. And grandfather. Sold all the cars for us to enjoy. And that when village spend is they spend for Port Harcourt. And that is transfer at 16k. You know have below transfer and that first time to call me my bank was fucking up that 8k. So when I go to send that 8k plus yesterday 8k at once. Joy! What's it God? There's no difference. It's forever worse because you do that every day. It's December, man. Yeah, December is better every day. That's why it doesn't. Bro, you cannot eat 2 hours.
Love the bromance. YouTube will see this.
Okay.
Banana and groundnut is such a travel food. Like it's so, I don't know. If you get it, you get to get some ties. Hello. This. For this today, and it looked so big, whereas look at the size, look at the real size. Oh my god. Anyway, let me just open it up and show you guys. This was looking so big in the park, but it looks so small. Like it's actually this small. So crazy, right? Yeah. And rider just left here. I wonder how riders walk under the rain, but yeah, that's it. I'm going to use this and just see how effective it will be. I hope I don't go back because I'm officially about to now be a sunscreen girl. Hi guys, good morning. This is the day after Arochukwu. Arochukwu is a fantastic place to be in. Really, to visit, to chill. Just go with people that are from there so that they can, take you to the nice places. It was really nice. I was well taken care of. Thank you to the Wakamas. Yeah, Wakamas and friends. So thank you so much. What else? I will be back to Arochukwu, definitely. Yeah. So while I was there, I got a package that I had been expecting from Julia. Someone ordered something from me. You guys can't guess what's in here because, yeah, I just feel like you guys can't guess. So before I open it, can you guys tell me what you think is inside here? Tell me, let me know. Just guess anything. Yeah. So what else? I'm going to be ending this vlog here so I can start another vlog. Hopefully, I think I'm going to try and start keeping up with my vlogs. So I'm going to open this, but first I just want to tell you guys that support me. Sorry, I don't have. I just want to tell you guys that support me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love. It's really difficult being consistent and then being inconsistent. So I'm trying to find my balance. But thank you for everybody who leaves a thumbs up, who likes. Thank you to everyone who leaves a comment. It really goes a long way. To everybody who shares my videos, I really, really, really appreciate you guys. I've been waiting for this thing for a long time. Someone ordered it for me. So you guys couldn't guess, right? Oh, why is it not making noise? These same people as always. Yeah, I'm going to keep bursting this. But yeah, I got this book from someone who, cares about my welfare, my well-being, my growth, obviously self-development, and he just decided to give me this book to read because I was in a tough place in my life. Maybe I still am. Have you guys read it? Let me know in the comment section. A modern fable on real success in business and in life. The leader who had no title. Like, the name is so intriguing. I can't wait to read it and tell you guys about it if you guys want to know what that is. So let me know in the comment section. Robin Sharma. I can't wait. So I'm going to be reading this, and it's not a lot of pages, to be fair, so I can finish this very easy. But I don't just want to finish it. I want to read, digest, make notes. Okay, there must be something in this book that is like, Judy needs to see this. So yes, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for my book. Thank you for my book, Kobe. You guys, please do well to like, share, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next one. You guys have to show me so much love in this video if you want to see more videos. Okay, bye guys.